Understanding Drone Regulations, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting and modern topic, drone regulations. Understanding this topic not only helps in learning English but also keeps you informed about important rules in technology. So, let's dive in and explore what drone regulations really means. Before we discuss drone regulations, it's important to understand what a drone is. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft without a human pilot on board. They can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously through software-controlled flight plans. Drones are used for various purposes, including photography, delivery, surveillance, and recreation. Now, let's break down the phrase, drone regulations. The word, drone, refers to the aircraft we just discussed. Regulations are rules or directives made and maintained by an authority. So, drone regulations are the official rules set by governments or organizations to control how drones are used. These regulations ensure safety, privacy, and security. Drone regulations are important for several reasons. Safety, to prevent accidents in the air and on the ground. Privacy, to protect individuals from being filmed or photographed without consent. Security, to prevent the misuse of drones for illegal activities. Airspace management, to ensure that drones do not interfere with other aircraft. Different countries have different drone regulations, but some common rules include flying height restrictions, limiting how high a drone can fly, no-fly zones, areas where drones are not allowed, like near airports, pilot certification, requiring drone operators to have a license or training, drone registration, mandatory registration of drones with authorities. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of drone regulations. As drones become more popular, knowing these regulations is essential. Remember, learning English can also be a window into understanding new technologies and their impact on society. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.